A primary contribution of our work is the development of a drawing application that reduces the difficulty of intentionally encoding a predefined bit string. This application provides basic drawing functionality. It also has a set of tools purpose-built for this encoding task. The most important of these tools is the target tracker, which allows the designer to break up the encoding into manageable parts and track their progress relative to the target encodings. For an encoding scheme using the number bit representation, decimal numbers of blobs are displayed for each part. For blob-level bit representations, icons are displayed that indicate the required blob shapes and their order. These icons light up green when a matching part is found in the marker. Underneath, the ordering for matched parts is given. This ordering turns red when a marker's ordering does not match the target. At the rightmost end of the tracker, extra parts of the marker that do not match to the target encoding are displayed. The marker is complete when none of the parts of the target tracker are red. Three overlay tools may be toggled by the buttons at the bottom right of the application. The first is a label tool, which overlays a pictorial representation of the marker's parts or blobs. For the number bit representation, decimal values are used rather than icons. The second button toggles the order tool, which displays the order of parts or blobs. For area orderings, the area is written in parentheses. For distance orderings, circles are drawn emanating from the relevant centroid to indicate distances. The final button toggles the ambiguity tool. This tool is intended to improve real-world readability and so highlights elements that are too similar to each other. All three overlay tools may be used simultaneously. For each phase of our three-phase experiment, a modified version of the application was used. In phase 1, ordering did not matter, so the order tool and ordering portion of the target tracker were omitted. In phase 2, blob orderings were introduced. And in phase 3, full encoding schemes including both blob and part orderings were used. Outside the conditions of the experiment, we asked a more experienced artist to draw markers using the full drawing application. Via TinyURL, these link to the Wikipedia pages for tea, outer space, fruit, and metropolis.